Two beautiful ladies were driving that Raptor was because somebody got a new toy. Say it, the car means ready!
Trying to use a motor car and yourself is one between the man and the machine.
And we're back at it again! Is that how much energy I need to bring to this channel for you guys to follow? Well, like, subscribe, all that BS. Headed to another car meet. It's becoming like a weekly thing, almost every day of the weekend. Got Tasca and GT Car Joe's Raptor right behind me. He's not driving it, but he's meeting us there. We got some special guests driving the Raptor. Two beautiful ladies. Should be a fun day. I think we have another drive after that with IX Exotics. Surprises there, but I guess you'll see in the video. Rock and roll, welcome back to the channel. Well, looky what we got here. Wait, we need to do a reveal video. I don't know if I should show this yet. Somebody got a new toy. We can tell it's new. Look at them plates. That thing is sweet. So the reason why this beautiful lady, actually these two beautiful ladies were driving that Raptor was because somebody got a new toy. His name is GT Car Joe. Don't worry, this week is almost 2 weeks out from his reveal. We were just talking about this. I posted an AMG video and I talked about how this is the car that I'd buy if I were to buy an AMG car. And guess who bought the freaking car? Yes! Representing the man in the machine! Let's go! You need to reshoot that. No, we're good. I like the candidness. The candidness is so good. Congrats, Joe. I'm proud of you for choosing cars that I would drive. That makes just me more connected to you. And I'm ready to go track both your GT3 and this against the Performante because
let's do it.
We know who's gonna win.
I am.
Tasca, are you representing the man in the machine? Yeah. That's actually the most sought after hat, at least that I get from people in my DMs. They love that hat, the slate gray.
It's the best hat I own. I mean, I don't wear any other hat.
Sold out everywhere, exclusive.
I'm gonna try more colors. I got some ideas.
I told them to make a white one.
But I'm gonna do, yeah, that's what everybody said. They want a white with like the carbon and black. Carbon and black. But dad hats are next. Everybody wants dad hats,
Yeah,
so I'm gonna get that.
Like, stop me, pull up it.
Coolest squad in town, right?
I guess.
Yeah, I think
we
so.
all are.
We all are. I love it. Let's go. Bring it. We rise up together. What's going on? Good to see you. Good. Are you destroying your car? No, this is making it look better. Look at how good that looks.
Just taking the yellow off, man.
Black and this gray, this satin gray. Metallic.
Zigno selenite gray magnet.
There you go. I'm terrible with car color names. I still don't know what the name of that is. I think I keep on calling it Nero Noctis. Sounds about right. My car? My car. But like people know the name of their paint, and I'm just like terrible. But look at the way that shines. It shines. Ribbit! How do they say it? The car means ribbit! I see you. Good to see you, Warner. Ghost 223, TT Car Joe, Tasca, and you guys need to follow the man in the machine by now. Stop waiting so long. Enjoy this wonderful content. It's the same content you see everywhere. Maybe I have to start doing some dances or bring some pretty ladies for you guys. You tell me what you want in the comments. Donuts, crashes, loud revs, racing, illegal racing. We don't do illegal racing, right? Representing the man in the machine, let's go! No discrimination. We love all car people. As you can tell by the diversity of cars here, if you share a passion for these machines, come on, let's hang out, let's talk, let's drive somewhat fast. Good collection of folks decided to get together on Sunday, and now we're going to do a little bit of photo capture. Photo shoots again are kind of a reason to drive these days. It becomes more and more an opportunity for new locations and new routes. It makes sense, right? Wouldn't you come along? Comment below, I might take you next time. But you gotta comment though, you gotta help this page grow. Yeah. I just gotta get this documented. Who's saying, who's faster, me or you?
Oh man, do you really want me to answer that?
Embarrassing yourself.
I'm faster, dang it, I promise. Round one of photos for everyone. Let's see what we get as far as the result. I'm excited. I like that 650 in the middle, that color. Poppin'. TT Car Joe bringing that yellow. Add some color. Oh, more yellow on the calipers. Red, black and white. Let's go. Black and white. This mask doesn't stay up whenever I talk. I'm just telling you right now. Part of the reason why we're gathering here today is that Mario allowed us to come check out his shop. And we're all thankful because we got to collect all these cars today and have a nice photo shoot. But tell us what your shop does, man.
Yeah, man, so I'm the owner of Zenith Autoworks. We do clear bra, paint protection film, protect the car against rock chips, scratches, swirls, defects and stuff. We do ceramic coating, we do color chains, wrap, you name it. You guys, you need it. We do powder coating as well, so if you guys need it, let me know. You can check us out at Zenith Autoworks, Zenith Autoworks HTX. And you guys may know my CTSV is a yellow one. It's Zenith CTSV. So
yes.
He's known as Houston's clear bra guy.
Yeah, the clear bra guy. There you go.
I like it.
Clear bra guy.
So you do vinyl wrapping too? I had this idea that I want kind of like just one spoke on each wheel, like maybe a silver or a bronze. Can we do that?
Let's do it, man.
Make it a little. I'm not too loud, but I like a little.
You like
bit of
subtleties.
stuff. Yeah.
It's all in the details.
Woo! Maybe something coming up soon. Let's go.
through it with you. GT3, SUPERCARS, 650, GTR, AMGs, woo-hoo, Mercedes. Woo! Mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, CTSVs. These things are mean. I don't want to mess with those. Raptor, G, Raptor. I'm tired. Things I do for this channel. Awesome, right? Not yet. You got to be more lively, like the Stratman. Welcome back to the channel. Or it's me. I know I'm gonna get a lot of shit for that for all you speed fans, but I like him. A whole 100% like him. And then it's Dave with DDE. I'm not a DDE yet. No daily driven right there, but driven right.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, just waiting.